Hello friends, welcome to my channel Coderkrishnakoli. You are watching your favorite YouTube channel Coderkrishnakoli. How are you friends? I think you are fine. Along this latter, I came back with a new videos into my YouTube channel Coderkrishnakoli. From today, I'm going to make a new video with the best programming language for your backend operation. For it, you may ask the questions, what new programming language have I chosen for it? Yes, I have chosen the best programming language is the Python programming language for all. So, if you want to know about Python programming language, you have to follow my channel. And before knowing a Python programming language, you have to know first what is Python, who did invent this, when it was invented, and what is the better future after knowing a Python programming language. For all of these questions, I will say first, Python is the highly interpreted language for general purpose only. By using this language, you can make your website more faster and secure. It was first released in 1991 by Guido van Rossum. Yes, it was released in 1991 by a software engineer, Guido van Rossum. So if you are interested on this language, you must have to watch these videos completely. Hope that after seeing these episodic videos, you would understand Python language very easily. And through these episodic videos, I will teach the Python programming language from scratch to advanced level, from beginning level to advanced level. So if you feel free to learn it, you have to subscribe my channel, Coderkrishnakoli. So coming back to the next videos, until then, thanks to everyone.